Hello there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a very quick and easy no yeast puff puff recipe. Yes, you can fry this right away. No need to wait. Let's get right into it. To my bowl, I'll add in about 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour for this recipe. I'll add in a cup of sugar, tablespoon of baking powder, some cinnamon. I'll also grate in some nutmeg, about a half teaspoon of that. I'll add in half teaspoon of salt and then whisk everything together. I'll then add in 3 cups of plain yogurt. You can use yogurt with vanilla as well for this recipe. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. I'll then measure in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then I'll mix everything together. I'll then add in 1 cup of water and then we'll be mixing this for a good 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is very well mixed or combined. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I really appreciate you. Thank you for always sharing my videos on your various platforms. God bless you. So we'll continue mixing this until it is very well mixed and it shouldn't take you more than a minute or two. I am satisfied with this texture, so we'll go right ahead to fry. Whilst I was mixing, my oil was also heating up. Guys, like I said, this is a no yeast puff puff. You can fry this right away. So this is an instant puff puff recipe. So we'll be scooping this or dropping this into the oil between the index finger and the thumb. And then we'll be frying this on a medium high heat. You don't want to fry it too high or too low. Okay, so medium high heat is perfect. So once everything is nicely dropped into the oil, we want to achieve the perfect golden brown color. Okay, so we'll be turning this until the puff puff is very well golden brown or nicely fried on all sides. So this is the perfect golden brown that I'm looking for, and then we'll continue frying the next batch. After frying the first batch, I recommend you lower your flame down a little bit until you drop in all the puff puff, and then if there is a need to turn up the heat, please go ahead and do so. Please follow me on all social media platforms. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Thank you so much for always coming back to support, guys. I really appreciate you. And please don't forget to hit the like button and also leave me a comment. I'll gladly appreciate that. So our puff puff is perfectly fried now. So we'll go ahead and remove it out of the oil, guys. And as you can see, it is that perfect golden brown that we are looking for, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. So my puff puff is all ready to be served. Guys, I'm in love with this puff puff recipe. It is so perfect and it tastes really delicious. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. I enjoyed this with my house cocoa and breakfast was really delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. Please stay safe. Bye.